Time for Mythbuster. Nowadays, everybody is suffering with cold and cough. So as soon as we get cough or fever, we stop eating fruits and we start consuming something hot, either drink hot or eat hot. And we feel that fruits which are cold will increase our mucus. So what we need? Food which is hot in temperature or hot in nature. Every time, everywhere in science, it is written that fruits increase our immunity. Fruits are very good to fight virus. Why so? Because fruits are rich in vitamin C, that is citrus acid, means they are hot in nature. This vitamin C helps us to melt or remove that mucus which is sticky, slimy inside. When it removes, the quantity increases and we feel that fruits are increasing the mucus. But actually they are doing the deep cleansing so that this virus doesn't relapse or doesn't come again. We right now temporarily stop that outlet by consuming some medicines, which will relapse very soon because body don't want to keep any dirt inside. So friends, fruits are not your enemy. They are your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you.